Hello guys, it's us cooking in the trenches, me, Armani Rodriguez, the talking man, and Corey, the cameraman. You should actually start speaking, Corey, because today's episode involves a gun. It's a cap gun, of course, but today's video is about how to use a percussion musket. So the percussion musket started coming around in the 1820s and saw popularity by the 1850s. It would be used in the American Civil War, the Crimean War, and many wars after that. It's a very it's a very versatile musket. So the reason why it was so effective is that the old flintlock musket needed a spark and gunpowder to start. Well, in various weather conditions, it wouldn't work. So various nations decided to start adopting this. France, Britain, the US, and even other countries. So today's video is going to be basics. Just going to how to use it, how to load it, and yeah. In case you're wondering, I carry caps in this bag because it's easier to just pop one of these out and then put it there instead of digging in my pocket. So, okay, let's go. So, you bring your musket to here. You would have a ramrod here, and you take your paper cartridge, which would be stored in an ammo pouch. You'd bite off the tip, and you'd pour the gunpowder into the barrel. You then take your ramrod, ram it down, put your ramrod back here, and then bring your musket to here. Then prime it back, grab a cap, and then fire. And then that's just really it. It's a very simple thing. Soldiers can get 3 shots off in a minute. It was very effective. And now that not only could it be used in all weather, it was now getting rifled into the barrels. Now the bullet can be more accurate. And the bullet itself was hollow, so when it hit the bone, it would spread out. So these weapons were very effective in the Crimean War and the American Civil War, and other wars afterwards. All because it replaced flint with a simple hammer striking a cap. I'm Armani Rodriguez, the talking man, and that's Corey Smith, the cameraman. And this has been Cooking in the Trenches, how to use a percussion musket. See ya.